All right, back we go for some more video. Sunday night, January 18th, Martin Luther King Day. Everybody, let's check on some more stocks here. My computer would work. HSTO. Check this stuff out. This chart's really interesting. Float 25 million, short growth 2,000. Excuse me, 2,000%. Market cap 27 million. Cash 6.66 million. Insiders own 5%, institutions 2%, current debt 5 million. It's only worth 10 million in value. What do they do? Clinical stage therapeutics company developing first-in-class restorative therapy, the body's natural process to repair, maintain healthy biological function. Products from single bioreactor, cell conditioned medium human, extracellular matrix, and hair stimulating complex, creating a spectrum. Company was founded by Stephen J. Mento on July 13th, 2005, headquartered in San Diego, California. 3 million buys. And let's look at the other chart here. Let's look at FinViz. Minus 18 million in income, 2 million in sales. Float, they have 9 million. See, DLA Piper advises Histogen in its US 14 million upside public offering. They're going to present at Wainwright BioConnect conference. What else here? Anything else here? They have regenerative medicine company, so it's on cell growth under simulated embryonic condition. It's really stem cell-ish stuff going on here. So let's look at the monthly. Yeah, the monthly we came about on this 2013 July. This thing was 140, but not really. And then it went to, because it split, they won't split here. Back and forth, back and forth. You know, I'm not sure if this is 90. Maybe this was, half that with the split. And then you can see here. Let's go to the daily. This is the big move. So you had the gap down. 50 went all the way to 20, bounced up to 30, gap down again. Then we had another move down, then another gap. So it just has 1, 2, like 3 gaps. And then it's really slid along the 3 line and bounced up the 7 line. And you had a reverse split right here, May 27, 2020. Then we went all the way down. See this another gap right here? It didn't really get above that. And then we slid to 150. And then look at this, down to 1 now. Look here, the heavy accumulation. Big volume down here. And this is a big falling wedge. Look at this, all the way from last year. Then you have a mini, like a trend line I made. So look how tight, squeezing. I like the potential on this technically, and it's a little company. Maybe they get into COVID something, cellular level, who knows, but that's just my thought. But then look at how this dropped right here. Then you had big volume coming in. This get over to 1 level now. Yeah, this can really move 150, 250 plus, because it looks like we bottomed here. And then you have 75 cent support right now. So this is a great technical pattern. Watch for this in the next few weeks, even a few months on this. Excuse me. EBON, let's move on. Ebang International Holdings, 74 million float, short growth 445%, market cap 447 million, a little bit of cash 5 million. Insiders own 43%, no institutions. Current debt 23 million. It's valued at 735 million. So it's way undervalued. It's an investment company, engages in research, manufacturing, sales of telecommunication products, blockchain. Bingo, bingo. Process units for mining cryptocurrencies. Company's founded May 17, 2018. headquartered in Hangzhou, China. No insider news. Let's take a look here. Whoa, just dropped my mic. All right, so they have income that listed 97 million sales. They have a float 76 million. Cryptocurrencies are going nuts. 2021. That was some old news. So Bitcoin mining Republic of China, Hong Kong, United States. What else did they say here? Company sells its Bitcoin mining machines to individual buyers. All right, let's take a look at this stock. Monthly. This was in 2020 June. This sort of came out here. Seeing the weekly, just shot right up on this high, 14.95. Then we came all the way back to this four line. The four line is key on this too. If I could get it over here. See this? Touch, touch. Now let's get to the daily. I had this line drawn before from July and August. Had this one up sideways. You have to trend up in uptrend. You're bouncing off trend lines. And then this wash down. Look at this from October, November. Big wash down. Gap. The four. This is a nice play if you got this long at this four level. Because you have a support right here on the IPO. Big cluster here, and it bounced. Started to go up to five. Then it made its way to eight. It's having trouble with this eight level. And then it got down again. So that back down we go, which isn't good. Trend line is going down on the stochastics. This might go back to four again and retests. Just trying to see if this is a line now. And you can draw it that way, or you can draw a line right here at eight. Few ways to do trend lines. You can do it right here. See this? You can do high to low like this, or you can do, sideways trend lines. So right now, so you couldn't get over this. So I'm gonna draw this all the way down. Take this out now. I don't need that. See this one up, came down. See this again, high, getting lower, lower, can break. Now we're gonna try to maybe go down again and go up again. So you're sort of in the middle here. You're not sure what it's gonna do next week if we keep going lower or bounce higher. But you have your levels on this, and watch that four level. But Bitcoin, this has potential. All right, let's go to OXBR. Oxbridge Re Holdings, float 3.49 million, market cap 14 million, cash 3 million plus, 39% insiders, 3% institution. No debt really, 459,000. It's only worth 7 million, so it seems overvalued a little bit. Engages in the provision reinsurance business solutions, property casualty insurers, Gulf region, United States. Covers property losses for specified cat stock. Oh my god, getting tired. All right, let me start that over. It fully collateralizes policies to cover property losses from specified catastrophes. I think this is like my 8th, 9th video. I'm trying to do 10 videos today. That's why I'm a little bit crazy now. All right, the company was founded April 4th, 2013, headquartered in Georgetown, Cayman Islands. I was there in 1998. Hence my name, Mike Cayman Trades. Mike Cayman Islands, that's where I got it. I was there, I think 1998, 1999, and it was the first time I was ever away, like 20 some years ago. It was great. It was an unbelievable place. 10,000 buys, 61,000 sells. Let me change this on FinViz. All right, Oxbridge Holdings. They reported November 10th. Wow, no news on this since November. Not like a press release or anything. Provides blah blah blah. The Gulf region, United States. All right, let's take a look at this. So this came out 2014 May. Shot to 7, got down to 5, then it's really collapsed. They're just one level. You can see in the weekly. Trying to see if this one level, what's below this one level? 75. Actually, 75 is a big level in this. See this? See this in the weekly. So this collapsed. No stock splits. 75 touched in 2019, 2020 many times. And you have a big line here. It looks like right at this 250 level. See this back and forth? So back and forth for over a year plus. And then this had a massive spike. Let's go to the daily. The daily, the daily, the daily. Look at that. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Let's go closer. June has had a big spike. Look at this in September 2020, 140 million. This thing shot up to 950. And then it came back and look, 150 didn't come back hard down, even the one. And then where are we at now? Starting to ride up against, trying to test this 250 level right here. Look at this. And I like how stochastic, see this sort of grinding up. Volume sort of a little bit increasing. This has big spikes on volume, up days. I really like this a lot. I'm not sure they haven't had a press release in like 2 months. That makes no sense. If you have a penny stock, when you release something like you put out anything, oh, we're working on a partnership or something. Do something like how about like even like they're looking to help COVID victims or something, create a fund. God, I'm smart. I'm just thinking of stuff. Hire me. Hello. All right. So this is where we're at. We break 250, 3 plus, then we're going big time here. Big time move long. You want this 50 cent, 150 down the one hold. This is an interesting stuff. I like this. All right, last one, RMO. I don't think I've ever done 10 videos in a day. This is crazy. It's almost like a test, like a challenge, like climbing Mount Everest. That's because Martin Luther King Day, everything's closed. Why not do this? All right, Romeo Power, 89 million float. Short growth down 28%. Market cap 2 billion. It's really good. No cash though, 315,000. Insider zone 22%. Institutions 12%. Debt 634 million enterprise value, saying it's overvalued right now. Operates energy technology company focused on designing and manufacture lithium battery models packs for commercial electric vehicles. Electric vehicles. It's founded by Michael Patterson, headquartered in Vernon, California, 2016. You'll see no insider buys or sells. So electric vehicle space. FinViz has no news. It just has Heritage Environmental Services and Romeo Power launch commercial fleet electrification program. Romeo Power goes public on NICE via SPAC, so this is relatively new. Models, trucks, buses. On the monthly, it might have been around back in 2019, it looks like, but it didn't really do nothing. And you can see it explode here. So this is where we're at here. Yeah, this started to creep up right here. November 19, 2020. You can really start to see the move 10. And then we're over 1320. Man, this explodes up to 38 plus. This just takes off. And then we really came down hard and found looks like a base 18, 20. We're going back and forth now. It's very oversold here. We're at 19 on stochastics. Heavy volume down. And I'm trying to see where support 18. I have a line this way. I guess I can make it trend line up this way. Yeah, right now, right there. There we go. Down, bounce. Now we have a gap right here at this like 26. And then, above. We can keep going here if this moves, but big run up, big pullback. We're sort of consolidating sideways, heavy volume here. So, we'll see what this does. You want this to hold this 20 trend line. This could do this and then bounce up. I've seen that before. But very oversold now, so that's a good sign too. So longer term, this really looks good. I like this. That is RMO SPAC. All right, that's it for these four. All right. Please subscribe, Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Trade Ideas referral in my YouTube. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. Mike Frank I on TikTok. Mike Frank 98 Instagram. Mike Heyman Trades on Stock Twits. And I have a Patreon. Hit it in my YouTube. I don't have no videos up yet. It's like a donation thing, maybe $5, $20. I'm gonna put on exclusive videos, stock trading, what to look for exactly, really specific like chart patterns too, because there's chart patterns that work better than others, and there's all kinds of stuff like that. All right, that's it. We're out for now. Peace.